Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to swap your crypto for another crypto in the Trust Wallet. So first of all, we're gonna open the Trust Wallet, enter your passcode. Here you see the wallet, the homepage of the Trust Wallet app. For example, we wanna swap. We have Bitcoin and we want to swap it to Ethereum. We're going to press on swap at the bottom. Swap. And in this example, we have Bitcoin and we want Ethereum, as you can see. But for example, I have Ethereum and I want Bitcoin. You can turn it around and then you can swap Ethereum to Bitcoin. You can choose any coin you want. So USDT. You can choose anything you want. For example, you have Unimax network and you want to swap it to Ethereum, that's possible. Or you swap, for example, Gemini dollars to Bitcoin. So it's very easy. You click on swap at the bottom, you choose what you have and what you want, and then you can swap the crypto. It takes a couple minutes, but it's very easy. If you have any further questions about the Trust Wallet app, please let me know down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and have a nice day.